Tripura is a home to around 12,000 people of the Bru or Rayong community, which is indigenous to northeast India. For the first time, Bru refugees will participate in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections as they were given permanent settlement in Tripura in January 2020.
You can see the flags behind me of Tripura Mota Party, who is supporting the BJP, and the BJP candidate belongs from Tripura Mota Party, and we also have the flag of CPIM, which is the opposition. So branding is everywhere at every nook and corner ahead of the Lok Sabha elections 2024. Interestingly, the Bru people here will also go to vote to the parliament elections and go to the polling for the very first time, because after they were given the permission, this is now the first time that they would be officially going to vote from the region of Tripura.
The Dhalai camp of Bru is home to around 2,800 people, out of which around 1,100 are female and 1,700 are male.
हम लोग यहाँ पर रह रहा है 19 अप्रैल 2021 से, तो अभी मैक्सिमम हम लोग का 2 साल हो चुका है। तो यहाँ पर हम लोग का 440 फैमिली है। यहाँ पर हम लोग घर भी मिल गया, सब पानी भी मिल गया, रास्ता सब मिल गया, कारण भी मिल गया।
The Brus here are now the official citizens of Tripura and will go to vote on 26th of April. First-time voters are excited to be a part of the electoral exercise and also have some pressing demands.
कारण अच्छे से मिलना चाहिए, कभी कभी बंद हो जाते हैं, बिजली नहीं मिलते अच्छे से, और पानी अच्छा मिलना है, अभी अच्छा से नहीं मिलता है, कारण ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं आने के टाइम में।
The settlement has access to a school currently set up in temporary structure.
This Bru settlement also has a temporary setup for 2 hours per day schooling. We have with us one of the teacher. Thank you so much for talking to us. When we talk about this Bru settlement, it is really happy to see that you are also teaching students over here. How many students do you teach?
We are having here 260 students.
When you will go to polling, what are the issues that you are looking at?
Actually, looking for the issues that the government provide us good schools and good environments for our students to teach them such a way that to come in their future brides with good education.
Is it difficult to call the students here to come and attend the school?
No, it is not difficult. Our students are always willing to come. They didn't feel hesitate to come for their learning.
So there you heard from the teacher. We are now standing in the middle of many future voters. There are around 200 plus students here who are going to come here every day and take their education. As the teachers say, the students are really enthusiastic, but they need better facilities here in Bru settlement.
The Rayangs keep themselves involved in jhum cultivation, a traditional shifting cultivation technique prevalent in the northeast India. The community is taking steps to educate the children and contribute to the development of the region.
The scene looks very picturesque over here, but behind these beautiful scenes, there are many challenges which are still here in this Bru settlement region. But with the coming of the Lok Sabha elections, because this is the first time that they would be going out to vote here for the Lok Sabha elections, they are also excited as well, and they really look forward to more development, especially for the Rayangs, who are also known as Bru here on the top hill. With camera person Kumar Datta, this is Deepika reporting for TD India from northeastern part of Tripura, and this is the topmost hill where the Bru settlement is placed.